Go ahead and begin, okay? Go ahead when you're ready.
I think that we have an introduction about ourselves, right?
Okay. Go ahead and begin when you're ready.
I need
Yeah, where's our fourth microphone?
啊，笑死我！
哦，对，
开幕雷击。你得待在里面。你用注记开始一句。
哦。
When you're ready, you can begin.
Easy, easy.
Whoa, that's real nice though. Like a small horse.
If you just stay there still,
Oh,
no sudden moves.
oh, I'm still a little more though. That reminds me about the rabbits. Tell me about...
The rabbit? No, not now. I'm trying to. Look what you did.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I just too excited about the rabbits.
I know, it's okay.
Let's have our old pal swimming today. It looks like we have a really fancy tea party at the bar.
Candy, the look is not good. I look at him, he wants to play with a horse and having a tea party. That's so stupid.
Well, at least someone right here has some culture.
So, can I go to the next party? I promise to be gentle.
Of course you can, Danny. My dogs like company.
Did anyone see my wife? Any one of you? Maybe if you took the gloves off. What the heck do you mean about that?
Oh, you look like the Vietnamese we passed.
I'll kill you, Lanny. It looks like it looks so silly. You know, I'd like to kill you.
And see that? And they say you're the one who needs training.
And maybe if you take your gloves off, she will appear. Oh, I saved it for her a long time ago. They told me to fall down. You see? Maybe if you took your gloves off, she will appear. You son of... And that's how we spend our evenings at the ranch. Shit. Oh, you may not.
Yeah, we have a... Does Dennis or anyone have tea parties?
Oh, maybe, Mr. Locke, I have a question. I think